Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorial River. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Today we're going to show you how you can capitalize the first letter of a text in Microsoft Excel. For this, you just need a simple thing to do. Here you can see that George Butler or Peter Brook all are in the small letter. We want to capitalize the first letter of those names. So we're selecting this cell, then enter equal, type proper, then select the value. Here is the source butler is the value, then close the bracket, press enter. Look how easy it is. Just butler, JNP has been capitalized. Drag it to the last value. If you want to copy and paste the value, you can press Ctrl C, then click here and right click and then paste the value only. Here you can see all your first letter has been capitalized. Thanks for watching the video.